Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change our nickname on Webtoon. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply focus on the bottom of the screen. Right next to the My button, you can see something called as More. Click on it. And guys, this is it. From here, all you guys need to do is go to Settings. Right next to Search, you can see the Settings button. Click on it. And guys, this is it. Just below your account, you can see a button like this that says Nickname. And just below it, you will find the nickname. Click on it. And guys, this is it. Simply enter your nickname right here. I'm gonna do it. Well, this is my nickname. Now let's see if it is available or not. As you guys can see, the nickname is available, so I'm simply gonna hit on Save. And guys, that's it. As you guys can see, my nickname has been changed. Well guys, this is it. This is how we change the nickname for your Webtoon account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.